This is the E5 Optical Encoder. It's our most popular and versatile encoder. It comes in resolutions ranging from 32 to 5000 CPR. That's 128 to 20,000 PPR. The E5 is available with index and comes in single-ended, differential, and Avago-compatible pinouts, and our new high-voltage output option. The E5 is quick and simple to assemble, and features a latching connector providing a secure connection that's resistant to vibration. The E5 supports 14 shaft sizes ranging from 2mm to 10mm. Find pricing, specifications, and drawings without emailing sales or signing up for a mailing list right on our website. Still looking for the right encoder for your project? Check out our channel where we have tons of resources to help you learn about encoders and our wide range of products.